What is the exact role of social media manager? Social media manager is responsible for managing and creating content for brands for social media channels such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and Instagram. They play a critical role for developing and creating a social media strategy that align with the brand's overall marketing goals. Number 1. Creating and curating content. Social media manager develop and creating content that is revealing, engaging and aligned with the brand's tone and voice. This may involve creating original posts, sharing user-generated content, and curating third-party content. Number 2. Managing social media accounts. Social media manager is responsible to maintain social media accounts, including the monitoring and responding messages and comments, and tracking engagement and growth metrics. Number 3. Developing and implementing social media campaigns. Social media manager create and execute social media campaigns that promote products and services, drive engagement and awareness, and support the brand overall marketing goals. And the last number 4, analytics social media performance. Social media manager use analytics tool to track, report of the performance of social media campaigns and accounts. They make use this data to make decisions about content, targeting and strategies. Overall, social media manager play a crucial role building and maintaining a brand awareness for social media and help to connect with customers, build brand awareness and drive business growth. If you like this video, do comment, share and subscribe our channel Ecom Brains. Thank you.